What's going on, Jamaica and the world? This is Calvin. I'm an Air Force officer and instructor pilot. Currently in quarantine out here in California. I'm going to give you guys a glimpse of my very rare diecast collection. My whole collection is in excess of 18,000 US dollars. So I've been doing this for well over 15 years now. And hopefully you enjoy it. I want to give you guys a big shout out, 876 Streets for keeping it real and letting the world know that, Jamaica, we have some serious machines there, and our enthusiast community is very big and bold and brilliant. So, and I also want to give a big shout out to Super Auto Repairs, One Great Pond Road in Ocho Rios. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the collection, and feel free to hit me up on Instagram at Jamstig Rare Diecast, or just search for Jamaican Stiggy on YouTube, and you'll see a lot of detailed videos of each of these cars. So big up and enjoy.